You might think that saving a few $100 on a private label unit is a smart move, but choosing the wrong brand today could mean a total system replacement in less than a decade when parts suddenly become ghostware. Most homeowners don't realize they're often choosing between a unit built for a quick sale and one engineered for a 20-year run. Making the wrong call here is a mistake you'll feel every time the electric bill hits your inbox. I'm HVAC Repair Guy, and I'm coming at you with over 17 years in the field as a service tech, installer, and contractor. I'm also backed up by my time as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. I don't care about the shiny brochures. I care about what happens when that sun is beating down and you need the compressor to actually kick over. Today, we're looking at two premium category units, the AireForce FSA4BF and the Liberty GLXT7C. On paper, they might look similar, but once you peel back the cabinet, the real-world performance tells a very different story. The AireForce FSA4BF is a 15.2 SEER2 unit that utilizes a 2-speed condenser fan and a 2-speed compressor. It includes a louvered coil guard and a compressor blanket to keep things quiet, landing it at a 71 decibel noise rating. AireForce is a brand under Nortek Global HVAC, which was recently acquired by Rheem Manufacturing. This acquisition brings Nortek's manufacturing, including their Saltillo facility, into Rheem's Global Air division. For now, you get a standard 10-year parts and compressor warranty, but there is 0 unit replacement protection if that compressor fails. Now look at the Liberty GLXT7C, which jumps the efficiency up to 17.2 SEER2. Like the AireForce, it runs a 2-speed fan and compressor, but it does it a bit quieter at 70 decibels. The Liberty is a flagship tier product from the Dakin Goodman Amana family, and it's manufactured right here in the USA. The warranty is where Liberty absolutely cleans house with a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. That means if your compressor dies in year 9, they don't just send a part, they provide a whole new outdoor condenser. When we talk pricing, the AireForce FSA4BF generally sits in the $2,500 to $3,800 range for the equipment. The Liberty GLXT7C commands a higher premium, typically landing between $3,400 and $4,800. You're looking at roughly a $1,000 gap, but you're buying 2 extra points of SEER efficiency and a massive safety net in that warranty. From a contractor's perspective, the Liberty is a much easier machine to live with. Being part of the Dakin Goodman parentage means parts are sitting on the shelf at almost every supply house in the country. With brands like AireForce, we'll have to see how the Rheem acquisition affects long-term parts distribution. For now, you're often at the mercy of a specific distributor's inventory, which can be a nightmare during a July heat wave. If you're asking me which one I'd put in my own house, the verdict is the Liberty GLXT7C. The AireForce is a decent build, especially now that it's backed by Rheem's corporate umbrella, but the Liberty gives you better efficiency and domestic manufacturing. That 10-year unit replacement warranty makes the extra upfront cost a wash the moment you have a major failure. Stick with the Liberty. It's the smarter, long-term investment for your home. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.